The TVU One has an LCD touchscreen interface that allows for transmission control if desired by the operator while out in the field. Press the power button and the TVU One unit will begin to boot up. Once turned on, you will see the status display screen, and if a camera is connected, you will see the video input preview. On the upper left is the transmission status. Online means a camera is connected and on standby. Live means the transmitter is transmitting live. We explain how to go live later in this video. Here in this section is the data card status monitor. And right below is the Ethernet status, labeled E, hotspot status, labeled H, and Wi-Fi status, labeled W. Green indicates a connection. Orange means connection is in progress. Red indicates no connection. And gray means no device is connected. On the right is the audio input level monitor. And on the top right is the battery status. This flashing status indicates the internal battery is charging. On the bottom section is the name of the receiver the TVU One is transmitting to, the latency or delay setting, and the bit rate. Pull down from the very top to the bottom to access the Operational Functions drop-down menu. From here, you can swipe left or right to get to any of the 4 operational functions. Slide and toggle up and down to have your desired setting highlighted green, then tap OK to apply the setting. The interface will notify you when a setting is changed. To close the window, simply swipe from the very bottom to the top or press the X on the upper right. Tap the screen to open a pop-up window with a list of paired receivers. To turn off the TVU One, press the power button, then swipe the toggle to shut down. Back in the drop-down menu, swipe right once to view the TVU One's information, which includes the TVU One's model number, PID number, and software version. When ready to go live, tap the center of the screen. A pop-up screen will appear with a list of paired receivers. Select a receiver and tap Go Live. To start the live transmission, swipe the toggle from left to right. The transmission status will change to live, indicating that you are now broadcasting. To select a preset transmission mode, pull down the drop-down menu. The mode function is always displayed first. Toggle with your finger and choose between these preset transmission modes. Interview has a bit rate of 2048 kilobits or 2 megabits per second and a latency of 2 seconds. Normal has a bit rate of 5120 kilobits or 5 megabits per second with a latency of 4 seconds. Fast Moving has a bit rate of 5120 kilobits or 5 megabits per second and a latency of 8 seconds. SD has a bit rate of 2048 kilobits or 2 megabits per second with a latency of 4 seconds. Tape Feed has a bit rate of 10,240 kilobits or 10 megabits per second and a latency of 10 seconds. This mode is optimized for edited content. Custom is a custom transmission mode set by the receiver. When ready, select the transmission mode and press OK. To monitor your modem, swipe left or right 2 times after opening the drop-down menu to access this screen to see detailed information for each card within the TVU One unit, as well as information of the Ethernet, hotspot, and Wi-Fi connections. Again, green indicates a connection, orange means connection is in progress, red indicates no connection, and gray means no device is connected. To stop the live transmission, tap the middle of the screen to bring up the Stop Live toggle and swipe it left to right. You are now ready to use the TVU One LCD touchscreen interface.